Dear student, welcome to NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal Universal School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 3 and today's topic is a scenery of aquatic living things with color. So dear student, please open your copy and ready with your pencil and color pencil and any kinds of pastel color. So first we will draw the picture, then we will know how to color the picture. So dear student, please be attentive at your class. Look at the board. First I have drawn here a box. I think you have no needed to do this. Your page already like this, so you can draw on your page easily. Okay, though this is aquatic living things, that means this is the water. First I draw the stone like this, some small some trees which are born on the water. Okay, then I will draw a fish. Look, give two curved line and join the line, then it will make the fish. Now I will give the lips, fin, eyes, and bubbles. Then I have drawn here a tortoise, because we know that tortoise is also aquatic living things. Now I have finished the tortoise. Now I will draw another fish. And another also. And give the bubble. can draw anything which is live on aqua. Okay, I have drawn here tortoise and many kinds of fishes. You can draw here another small fish. Okay, dear student, hope you already understand that how to draw a aquatic living things. Look at the board very carefully. This is the first step of your topics. After drawing this picture, then you will go to the color. Now look at the board. I have already colored a picture for you. First, in this picture I have colored the water. The whole water I colored without this tree or this tree. I colored the whole water by light sky blue color. Okay. Then after that I will color those stone. On the stone I have used here first ash color, and then for the shade I have used there, look at the board, I have used there black color, but not all space. And this is very softly, I use here black color very softly. I use here yellow, dark yellow. Then I have used maximum stones is ash color and black color. After that I will color the tortoise by deep green, deep yellow, and then draw those lines. And in this fish I have used yellow, orange and black color. In this blue fish, look at this fish. Here is water is blue, but this blue is not like the water. How? First I use here sky blue and some green and some purple color. Then I have used on this fish white color and mix with them. Then I have used there, I draw this line by again purple color, and these lines are black color. Here I use orange color and the biscuit color also. Here I have used yellow and purple and black. And at the end I draw this, I colored this grass and small fishes, and then I give the bubbles from, I have given the bubbles by this deep blue. Okay, this is very easy to color. Everyone keep patience and color the picture very carefully. But remember, you never use black pen, marker and any kinds of black color for border. Okay, this topic is also your SW. So dear student, do the assigned SW. You have to submit your all SW copy at your school on every Sunday 8 am to 4 pm. And you should remember this, your SBA, diary and city marks will depends on your SW. So dear student, you practice at your home more and more time, and then submit your SW at your school. Thank you dear student for your patience.